अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी करो और बगल वाला घंटी भी दबा देना।
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As Durga Puja is not so far and coming closer and closer day by day, therefore in today's video I have made the quarter view of Goddess Durga. So without any further talking and making the video more lengthy, let the video begin and enjoy the video.
In the background, I have started by giving reds, orange, yellows and then blended that with white acrylic colors. I have done the sketching of the face in the background just to avoid any mistakes when I'm using the colors direct with the brush. Now is the turn of the face, so I'm basically making the border of the face and then moving with the eyebrow and filling it with black acrylic color, and then is the turn of the nose. The face which I have drawn of Goddess Durga, it is a quarter face. Now filling the eyes with white color and making the red lips. Making the curly hair and then moving on to the choker in her neck, and after that making the royal crown which she is wearing. Coloring the crown with reds, orange, yellows and whites and blues as well, and giving the borders with black color just to give a neat look and not to make khichdi with only reds, yellows and orange. To prevent that, I gave blue and white colors, otherwise it would give a odd look. I have made golden color, so it is DIY golden color which I have made, and then moving to the lotus which is used in the puja, the lotus and some other flowers also. Moving on to the jewelry and making the nose ring with white color. So here I have done the sketch of the means how big the ring will be. I have done that and then filling it with white. Added some highlights, and at the last finally I'm making the eyes of Goddess Durga.
thumbs up, or if you don't like it then surely give a thumbs down and comment down below why you don't like it, or any other plans you have that which I can basically improve my drawing. Then surely I'm always there, I will improve my drawing. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, and also share this with your friends. So till the next video, bye.